Every day, millions of construction workers step onto sites filled with potential risks. Safety isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility. Welcome to SafetyApp, the digital safety platform that's transforming how construction sites protect their most valuable asset, their people. From planning to execution, safety is always under control. From induction training that equips workers with essential knowledge, to digitized work permits that speed up approvals, and real-time violation tracking to prevent repeat offenses, we've got you covered. With checklists, safety observations, detailed incident reporting, and continuous training and ease to toggle between multiple projects. SafetyApp ensures it all, right at your fingertips. The construction industry faces growing challenges, rising safety risks, operational inefficiencies, and a lack of real-time data. Manual paperwork, outdated tools, and vast project areas make it hard to enforce safety effectively. But with SafetyApp, you can bridge this gap and bring safety into the digital age. Imagine a world where safety is seamless. Digitized work permits accelerate approvals while ensuring compliance through hazard identification. EHS inductions set the stage for a safe work environment. Real-time safety observations and digitized attendance keep everyone accountable. And with automated reports, you get data-driven insights to make smarter decisions. SafetyApp isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer in safety management. The numbers don't lie. Numbers speak louder than words. SafetyApp has powered 4,000 users for over 6 lakh toolbox trainings, 14,000 checklists, 6 lakh work permits, and 1.6 lakh EHS inductions. With thousands of users and hundreds of safety observations logged daily over hundreds of sites, we're redefining safety, one site at a time. Leading construction firms trust SafetyApp to enhance safety, improve efficiency, and reduce risks. Join the movement towards a safer, smarter, and more efficient workplace today. SafetyApp, because every construction site and every worker deserves a safe tomorrow. Get your own SafetyApp today.